Vandeham Siguru Siyodvar Kamalam Sigulum Vaishnavam Sri Rupam Sagajatam Sahagana Raghunatham Vidantam Sajivam Sadvaitam Sarvadutam Parijanasatam Sri Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Radha Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakam Vidamshya Agyam Dimgalam Tasva Ganam Jalasarakaya Jakshomitham Tasma Sri Gurave Namaha Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Vistaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vaibhava Puri Goswami Namane Gaurava Nidra Jalaya Jaya Sankalpanhote Krishna Shakti Sarupa Bhakti Vidale Namaha Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Vistaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Vedanta Swami Namane Namo Vishnupadaya Krishna Vistaya Bhutale Srimati Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Namane Sri Vaishmana Videvi Dai Dai Kripataye Krishna Samandana Dai Devare Namaha Madhurya Pramati Sri Rupanuga Bhaktidaha Sri Gora Karuna Shakti Vigrahaya Namostate Namaste Gauravani Srimate Dinatarane Rupanuga Viroda Pasidanta Vantarane Namo Gaur Kishoraya Sakshataya Gadmute Vibralambara Sambodhi Nambujayate Namaha Namo Bhakti Vinodaya Satchitananda Namine Dola Shakti Sarupa Panukavanamade Gora Vibhavo Mesnandishta Satya Priyaha Vaishnava Samusi Jagannathaya Namaha Vansankalpatarvisya Prakasinduvevacha Namo Mahavadanyaya Krishna Krishna Chaitanya Gaurvise Namaha Panchatattva Krishna Bhakta Bhaktavedanta Bhaktakyam He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandha Bhakti Gopisa Gopika Kamta Radha Kamta Namaste Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radha Vrindavisari Vishapana Sutidevi Anamami Hari Priya Jayata Surata Pangarama Mandama Tergati Matsarasa Radha Pujosti Divya Kandaranya Kalpakurana Srimadratnaka Srimasansto Sri Radha Shila Govinda Devo Krishnavi Sabhino Snambi Srimamrata Saram Vimarsi Vadakapakita Karsanve Samekha Gopinath Sri Astuna Pranidhana Sri Deva Priyai Kesavasya Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavati Namo Namaha Narayana Namaskrityam Chaitanya Devim Saraswati Vyasam Tato Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama Hare Nam Kalo Daste Madaste Daste Vagatan Yodha Guru Charana Karma 180 yes no 182
not Guru Dev
Radhe Radhe
Sri Guru Charana Padma Keval Bhakti Sarma Sri Guru Oh
Kabe Sri Chaitanya More. Ein bisschen später, 188. Was lebt?
Na, der Song nicht.
Ha?
Der Song nicht.
Das ist anders. Kabe Sri Chaitanya More.
Kabe Sri Chaitanya More.
Kali Bena Doya?
Kabe Sri Chaitanya More.
Yes, correct. Yes.
K. Kind of K, B.
In the new one it's 6-3.
Kabe Sri Chaitanya More.
Kabe Sri Chaitanya More. Kali Bena Doya. Kabe Sri Chaitanya More. Kabe Ami Bari Vaisnava Jaya.
निताई गौर नाम
Saite. Read.
Nitai Gaur Nam.
Nitya Gaura Nam.
आनंद धाम
You know? No? Yeah, you know for us.
That is song.
Nitai Gaur Nam.
Song I remember.
Nitai Gaur Nam.
निताई गौर नाम आनंद धाम पेज नंबर
Ah, no, that is 208 Mataji. 208.
In this one, 208.
Yeah. What is it?
this one
The other one, you have it? Which
I
set?
thought 128. I know that one. 9. The new one.
128
Yeah.
The new one is 128. 128.
নিতাই গৌর নাম আনন্দের ধাম যে জনা নাহি লয় নিতাই গৌর নাম আনন্দের ধাম যে জনা নিতাই গৌর নাম আনন্দে গৌরা যে গৌরা নাম লয় তারে জমরায় ধরে লয় যায় তারে তারে জমরায় ধরে লয় যায় তারে জমরায় নরকে ডুবায় যায় ডুবায় तुलसी हार जपरे तुलसी हार जेना परे छार अमर गृह जमालय बास तार तुलसी हार ना परे जे छार तिलक धार ना कर दे जौन तिलक धार ना कर दे जौन उदारी जनम नालय हरि नाम विधि करे वाम वामर पाषंड मोती नालय हरि नाम नालय हरि नाम विधि करे वाम वामर पाषंड मोती नालय हरि नाम
for special song by Sri Lochadas Thakur. Yesterday was his appearance day. I want just to give short the text. Maharaj was singing this from the heart. So he says, Lochadas Thakur, that these holy names of Nitai and Gaur, they are abode of bliss. Those who do not chant the names are taken by Maharaj and absorbed in the hell. Those who do not wear tulasi neck beads, their permanent residence becomes in the world of Maharaj, and those who do not decorate their forehead with tilak, their lives becomes useless. Those who do not chant the Harinam, they have an unfavorite destiny. Their foreign and their stone-like hearts are filled with deceit. And what will be the destination of those who do not serve the Vaishnavas? Now is the time has come to receive Diksha from Sri Guru. If one chants this mantra carefully, one will get the residence in Braja forever. The mood of ignorance will go, goodness will come in the heart, and one will become the eternal servant of Krishna. This Lochan Das instructs everyone to always chant Gaur Nitai's holy names. Those who have no attachment for Gaura Rasa, they will be publicly defamed. The faces will be smeared with the lamb and black hair. That's Lochan Das Thakur is
Nice.
powerful. Yesterday was his yesterday was
In India today, Maharaj.
Yes.
Devi Purashti.
No, today.
Today is apparently
In India.
today? No, yesterday.
in India.
In India
Yesterday
today.
here.
Today in India.
Is there a
So?
special?
Here is
So just the next song is, I don't know, Gauranga Holy, so many times we sing this.
Ist es something special mit Kalk und Tinte beschmiert?
Huh?
Weil Kalk und Tinte beschmiert, the face.
Yes,
Is this something special in India or what is like, what is the color?
flame and tear, black tear we know, using for the street construction.
the black. See the sign of the criminal.
So
Before in ancient India,
huh?
before in ancient India, ancient days,
Ancient India.
if someone in village atmosphere, if someone did some mistake,
Yeah, they,
then the aged older person, they
Become-
drink and paste this
bring the dust or the clay or what.
and shave the head and paste this present blood.
Acha.
Then everyone knows, oh, he had done a mistake.
Okay, this is publicly
Without punishment.
Publicly
It's like
That's why Lochan Das Thakur speaks.
Yes.
Those who decide, who doesn't recite the holy name, not putting on the tilak and wearing the mala.
okay.
There is a country so much, people get much worse punishment than that. That is just small thing. I listen from China and other places what they do with the people publicly then. Cannot repeat that. It's too much. Anyway.
Yes.
Maharaj, you can change this. Yeah? No, after. It's nice.
দয়াল নিতাই চৈতন্য মোরে নাচের আমার মন
Doy Nitai Chaitanya Bole, Nache Amama. Doy Chaitanya Nitai Bole. In this
Which
book
page?
is
211.
Hundred 31. 331.
Quran number 211, the old one.
Doyal Nitai Chaitanya Bole.
দয়াল নিতাই চৈতন্য বলে নাচের আমার মন
Nitai Chaitanya Bole, Nachera Amara
निताय चैतन्य बोले नाच रे अमर मान।
नाच रे अमर मोहन, नाच रे अमर मोहन,
नाच रे अमर मोहन, नाच रे अमर मोहन,
नाच रे अमर मोहन, नाच रे अमर मोहन,
नाच रे अमर मोहन, नाच रे अमर मोहन।
राधे राधे गोविंद
जय हो।
गोविंद राधे
राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे
राधे राधे
Kuruka Brevadam Harinam Sankhyadam. This divine name, Nitya Sarva Shaktis, all Shaktis, what Krishna has unlimited Shaktis. Some are mentioned in the scriptures. Divya scripture, Divya Grantha, divine. So, in this Kali Yuga, in this fallen age, hypocrisy, lying, stealing, jealousy, so many bad, Vetternwirtschaft, how to say, so much corruption is there, and all this goes to all the structures in the society, from the top to the bottom. So, Harinam, 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 Eva Kevalam, Karunas, Evanas, Evanas, Evagadiyanadaha. There's no other way, no other way, no other way. Eva Kevalam, you must accept that Hari, 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 Krishna, 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 this divine holy name, is the only way to attain the final goal, perfection. Our Guru Maharaj, Patilila Pravishta, Vishnupada, Paramahamsa, Vridraja, Sitsimad, Chakra Guru, Bhakti Puri Goswami, whole life, up to his age of 96, he preaching about this divine name all over the world. And many followers came like ourselves, our dear good brother, Vridraja Maharaj, and so many of them, they came to flock together under his lotus feet to receive the highest gift, this divine love claim from the spiritual world, who is transported to the channel of the Guru Parampara, Krishna, Brahma, Devasya Narada, Vyasa, Shukra, etc., coming up to the present day, that this authorized channel is working fully, comes from the original source. Whatever we are talking and repeating now, understanding, realizing, is just that they're great Mahajans who have no previous birth in this world like we are. We should understand this. They have no previous body before. They come from the Lokadam, from the spiritual world. They are not ordinary. We had great fortune to come in contact with them. Sometimes very strong chastising, like a father who wants to educate his boy that become a nice man and educated and do a good job in his life. So also we got sometimes, how to say, like a good, strong correction that we remember. Not everything is sweet like honey. Maybe we can talk about it, but the life itself shows different faces to us. So, but their mercy, Hare Krishna. Mahajana Enagata Sahapranta. These are great Mahajans who have the divine knowledge, realized knowledge, and they will give it to those faithful seekers of the truth. So, to get out of this nightmare, of this sankalpa vikalpa, our mind is working in this world with the worldly objects, accepting, rejecting, to come to a higher level of consciousness. There's no other way, no other way, no other way. We have to listen to a karana, to the ear, this divine message repeated by sadhus, by Gurudev, Divya Grantha, divine scriptures. They are not ordinary talking. They are talking for the benefit of the lost souls in the material world, who are going just away from their own luck to search in the darkness of this material world, to get out into happiness. Why happiness? Why looking for happiness, for good fortune? Because it's inherent in everyone. So you can push away material desires, you can neglect them, suppress them for some time. You can take some artificial role, what you think who you are. But still this pushings is not so easy mitigated or transformed. So but this needs really a humble surrender, humbleness to accept this Divya Gyan, divine message, divine knowledge coming from the highest source. So material desires, if you want to stop, like you stop, you make a time and you stop artificial, some water, the forest, more. There's many examples where you fast for many days. After this, you become more strong. We have seen that. All these material desires become more and more strong in one. And after we push you to some place. So to neutralize that consciousness, material consciousness, to slowly switch to the divine consciousness. There's a process given, especially in this age, very simple. We like to we have these desires to enjoy something. You can call it lust, anger, krodha, kama, krodha, lobha, greed, all these things. To don't know what is right and wrong, in essence, ignorance. What should I do? What is right, what is wrong? Who will tell me this in our society? Then these shortcomings of our senses, they're not a capability like even some animals have. They can see far distance, they can hear long distance. They can understand if a tsunami is coming, they will go away the day before. The human not, because he has not this fine capability to receive that information. So we're very, very reduced, and less than even in the lower stages of life, if the soul is wandering. So that is our condition. And this arrogance and prideness, because we have some money, we have some comfort established in the last 50 years, 100 years or 200 years, exploiting the mother nature to rope by force every resources out just to enjoy this world. The reaction will come, sometimes slowly, sometimes fast, but will come. He said, whatever you take by force, you have to pay back to the last cent, whatever we take from this world. Because it's all the Bhagavan or the Lord's possession. We don't create anything. We can manipulate and change things to fashion this and that things out of it. But the raw material, the intelligence, and the capability to do it is everything. It's Bhagavan's grace. So if we are faithful children of the Lord, we would nicely engage all these resources nicely for His satisfaction. And our life would be smooth, peaceful, and happy. If not, if we reward, become a rebel against this law of nature on higher control, and will be punished. Some people are very much punished. They suffer like very heavy suffering. Just open the screen, look what is going on in the world. Peace, negotiation. With whom? How? Who will speak? Who will accept what? Very difficult. So that is always the reactions of our sinful behavior, of our arrogance against the Lord, against His beautiful nature, who creates so wonderful. If you look clearly in the nature, wonderful. Who created? The beautiful Lord, blue color. Krishna speaks to Brahma, the first man in the universe. I tell you my color, I tell you my pastimes, I tell you about my character, how I'm looking, everything. You create nicely, you make comfort for everybody. Don't choose separately. This is a possibility given. So, very bad sons of the father, they will just misuse all the wealth of his father. And they will not respect his father. speak bad about him, all these things. The result will be, you become a stranger running in this world, life after life, for some fiction. Nothing real, like a dream. Understand? Your little down is just dream little. You're fully in the dream. Sometimes nice dream, sometimes horrifying dream. Then you wake up, everything is gone. But in the dream was completely real. When you wake up, oh no, fortunately, okay, it was a nice dream actually, but it still is gone. So it's in a subtle world that is very, very more real than what we perceive now in the physical external world. It's more real, this world. What to speak of the inner world, of our inner life, of the life where we really, the Jivatma, live in the divine actually, but enveloped with matter, and then finally matter, and become most inert matter. No real life. Real life means Sat, Sanatana. I am eternal, Chit, full of all equipment, all knowledge. Chit. And I'm happy, Ananda. Sat Chit Anandam Vigraha. The Father Parcel of Bhagavan. Get the capability, the opportunity to act separate from his interest, for what he made us. That is the problem in this world, in any world. Now, in the future, the past, always the same problem. Misuse the property of the Father. The Lord, who is very loving to his, even his bad children. Just wait. Again, correct him by different signs to come to the proper fortune to be happy. So therefore, he have an unlimited, wonderful play with all of us. If we agree that we don't not act separate against his interest, we'll be very harmony, love, peace, happiness, shelter, beauty, from what we naturally search here and want to have a relation with it. That will be there, already existing. Already everybody's richness in the heart is fully there, but we're not aware. So need the spiritual perceptor, the Divya Granta, who are pointing just to our own fortune. If you're faithful, if you're simple-minded, and accepted this divine knowledge, there will be a happy life. There will be no tension, no worriness about the future, no anxiety, frustration, unhappiness. That will be pushed far away. That will not exist. And full belief that the Lord, one name is Bhaktavatsala, he liked his devotees. So we try to become his devotees, devoted to his eternity, bliss, knowledge. That will be our real nature. In this way we can relate with everyone nicely in this world. Family, friends, nations, even politics, sports, culture, whatever exists. We have the proper vision about them and see it proper. See it proper means they are all suffering. That happiness, principle happiness, comes from connection with the matter, senses, sense objects. Everything clearly written in Bhagavatam. That is the problem, to have the wrong identification. So therefore, our Bhaktisiddhanta Goswami Thakur Prabhupada, he created these spiritual centers, the University of Bhakti, to cultivate the society in the God science, in the God consciousness, Krishna consciousness, to give auspiciousness to the world. It's so needed. Now many people, they are thinking more positive and they become more spiritual. So if they are properly guided in the proper way, they will do wonderful in the future to help to the root cause of all sufferings. take it from the root, not to polish just external, give some money here, there, and give them something temporary. It's not enough. Again, indeed. And the real thing is missing. I think my time is not Maharaji. It's heavy preaching. So we have to listen little Leela now, little the divine play of the Absolute in this world, how beautiful performs his pastimes like his devotees to attract minds or attention to the divine. Thank you very much for listening attentively. It's not easy to find anybody to want to listen that, because we have different taste for mundane philosophy, mundane sounds, mundane everything mundane. So very difficult to go to the spirit. Thank you. See the Gurudeva ki jai.
भगवते गुरु निश्चय भक्ता निश्चय सपकार कांत प्रकाश तत्सत्य कृष्ण चैतन्य समित नमो विष्णु पादाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय कृष्णते भक्ति वैभव पुरी गोस्वामी नाम गौरवाणी प्रचाराय बल संकल्प मूर्ते कृष्ण सत्य स्वरूपाय भक्ति प्रदाय नमो विष्णु पादाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय कृष्ण भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती नाम पंचाकल्पतरुषिद्वासं जगति नाम पावन वैष्णव जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I want to remind you of the spiritual master Sri Bhakti Guru Vishwanath by his costless mercy. Also promise circumvent and lotus Jagat Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati by his costless mercy. I put my Shastanga Lord. My elder God brother, who is seated with me on the stage, very merciful form. I offer my Shastanga by his lotus feet by his costless mercy. Also offer my Dhanavad lotus feet of my starting Guru, Vishnu Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Sabri Muni Maharaj, all our churches. By their costless mercy, I offer my Shastanga with all of you, all Maharajis, all Vaishnavas, Vaishnava listeners. Really, Maharaj was eagerly, he was always enthusiastic to speak more and more. Because of me, he broke his top. Sorry, what to do. Lord is unlimited, his pastimes are also unlimited, his glorification, everything unlimited. It can't possible to speak within 1 line or half an hour. We hear the son of the Brahma, son of Sanatan, Sanandan, son of Kumar, Parkumar. Always they were traveling, always no staying place. One is always seated in the Vyasasana, deliver the glories of the pastimes of Harikatha, Krishna Katha, and others were listening. Till now it is going on. So this type of Harikatha, testing. This is the Sunday program. We have a Sunday program. We are gathering here. Very merciful. Our churches, the thought, they are organizing this Sunday program because we are in this cosmic manifestation. We are in Karma Khetra. Always we are engaging in the police action. No time to get this association by the mercy of the Lord and Guru Puran and Vaishnavas. We can, and Sunday we are gathering here, this good fortune. According to Srimad Bhagavatam, Saubhagya Dayana Bhujanma Samarjitena Satsang Lavati Purusha Yadavai Agyan Hetu Krutta Mohandakar Nasan Viveka Vidhaya Tattva Deva Viveka. Just the root here, Bhagya Dayana. If one's good fortune awakening, he can get the saintly association. Get satsanga. It is not happened by accidentally. If someone gets satsang means saintly association means there must be some many lifetime spiritual merit is there. Many lifetime spiritual merits. Otherwise, it is not accidentally happened. You come and attend this man. Some occasionally some person come and already sit and listen. That means in previous lifetime some Siddhi had, some spiritual merit he has. So Bahujanma Samadhisthana, equivalent of the many lifetime Siddhi there. Satsanga Lavati Purusha Yadavai. After association, what will happen? Saintly association, satsanga. Na agyan hetu krutta moha andhakar nasa. Satsanga is the switch on the light, switch on the lamp. And our agyan is the darkness. Agyana is the darkness, ignorance. That is ignorance. Satsanga is the switch on the lamp. Not necessary, not need to try to give up this ignorance, not need to give up try to throw out from the room the darkness. Just switch on the lamp, automatically the lights comes and the darkness will go. Similarly, if you get a saintly association by fortune, then our ignorance, what is the ignorance? Anger, arrogance, this material attachment, entanglement, these are the ignorance. This will go gradually, not once, gradually will go, but soon. Agyan hetu krutta moha andhakara nasa. Then the consciousness will arises. Tattva viveka, consciousness. Vivek is the conscience. One is conscious, another is intelligence, another is mind. Mind, intelligence, and conscious. Suppose we are trying to understand this. In our court where some case is going on, mind is the client, and the intelligence is the advocate, lawyer. Conscious is the judge. The judge decision is the final decision. Okay? The judge. His decision is the final decision. Sometimes our intelligence also, buddhi, intelligence also gives some nice knowledge, nice everything. But when intelligence becomes weak, then the mind grasps little bit towards the enjoyment. This is the knowledge here. That's it. Consciousness, we must wake up our consciousness. This consciousness will arise after getting this association satsanga only. This is our main virtue, prime virtue of the satsanga. Tattva dayata viveka. Viveka means consciousness. In Bhagavatam we have seen many devotees, highly exalted personality also. Those who got fortune to see the face-to-face the Lord also physically. After seeing the Lord before them, they also prayed at the Lord's well, Lord, how I get your devotees association. This is even in the scripture also. Dhruva Maharaj, suppose we focus on Dhruva Maharaj. We know Dhruva Maharaj how he like severe austerity has done, which is not applicable for this Kali Yuga age. That is the age of Satyayuga. In the Satyayuga age, he was worshipping the Lord, and within 6 months he got the opportunity to see the Lord. Lord appeared there because of his austerity. And the Lord Vishnu asked him, I am really pleased on you. I want to give something you. At least if you have any desire, then disclose me. Tell me. No desire. Nothing desire. Because of foolishness, I was desiring before to sit on a throne on the lap of my father. But now I am sitting on your lap. So, beginning I was searching for a glass, but now I get the fear. How I am not foolish. So, it is a great mercy, Maharaj. So, I don't want anything. Lord, it is my wish. My wish at least ask something, beg something. Okay, one desire I have. Then Lord, please, okay. Because Lord always ready to give something to the unloved, unwanted devotees. Those are fully surrendered mentally, physically, morally. For them, Lord is waiting to give something. Otherwise, he becomes indebted devotee. So, because those are not following, those are not believing the Lord's existence. Lord is existing in this world. Those who haven't any, those are not believing. For them also Lord gives some opportunity. The sun he puts sun gives light to everyone. The air also blowing everywhere. Everything. Lord's arrangement. And those who fully surrender what speak about them. So Lord always waiting to give something to his devotee. Then Lord will please. That time Dhruvaji asked, Bhakti Muhu Prabhakantu ime prasanga Bhuyad Ananta Matam Amala Sayana Yenam Jasakiluna Murvesanam Pavati Nisya Bhodhvana Katha Mrtapan Mata. Nice verses in Bhagavatam. Dhruvaji asked, okay, oh my Lord, oh my Master, if you really please on me and merciful, then only one desire, please. Let me give, what you say, Bhakti Mukrotoyam Prasanga. Those devotees, you are devotee, those are always engaged in your loving devotional service only. Who hasn't any material desire, no entanglement to anyone, even obstacle, even one's body also. Completely purified devotee, always engaged in the loving devotional service. I wish to get association of them. This is only desire. Then Lord asked, I appeared because of you. You see a whole world, universally, all saints are waiting to see me while. But I am standing before you, showing my this for it isn't enough for you. No, it is enough. Till because of Narad benediction Ashirvad, if I want to got association of the Naradji, then it is not possible to see you. Before I didn't know who you are. So always this is my only wish, Maharaj. That's how I associate with the unhonored, fully surrendered devotees. Then, okay, if you get that, what will happen? Then the verse speaks. Yenam jasa ulvunu vesaran. When I hear you are the loving pastimes from the lotus leaves of the devotees. I will do. Then what happened? This was a terrible material ocean, very terrible and dangerous, this material external energy. I can easily cross surface. Easily. I can easily cross and surface this was terrible, dangerous external energy also. I can swim this ocean also. Because of hearing this nice Harikatha from your devotees' lotus mouth only. This is the power of the Harikatha, the niceness. Lord, He is sweet, His Katha also sweet. Listen, Harikatha is the service. Great service. Chanting Harinam also service. Archana also service. To see the Lord is not enough for devotee. To serve the Lord is the real devotion. To serve the Lord is the real devotion. To see the Lord is okay, it is a part of devotion, but not the real devotion. That's why all devotee of the Lord's, they are always praying this number. Any birth, any species you can take in birth, no problem. In this whole world, any corner of the world, because of my priestly activities, I can take birth because of your external energy, Maharaj. But I wish to associate with the devotee. Dhritarashtra Bhagavatam. Dhritarashtra, no one demon, Dhritarashtra. When he fight with Indra, the heavenly king, Indra. In the middle of battlefield, in the battle, Dhritarashtra told Indra was just ready to apply the Vajra. But Dhritarashtra told Dhritarashtra, wait, I know I will die because of this Vajra. It is Vishnu's, Lord Vishnu's plan, I know. I accept, I adopt this. I want to die, but I request him, little wait, I want to pray my Lord. The Indra was surprised. Oh my God. In the battlefield, as a demon, he wants to pray the Lord. Maybe he's not demon. Then he waited. Then this very nice prayers, the last, there are 4 prayers, 4 verses is quoted there. But last verse for the satsang is Mama uttama sloka janesi sakyam sansara chakra vimata satkarmavi tonamaya atma tajadara gahe sasakta chitta nananda bhaya. O Nath, O Master, O my Lord, the Buddha is praying. Mama uttama sloka janesi sakyam. He's telling uttama sloka, you are janesi sakyam is those who are your devotees. I can make friendship with them only. But because of my external energy and because of my priestly activities, action, I am wandering this throughout the world. I am wandering this throughout the world because of my priestly action. And because of my external energy, I spell everything. So, before many lives I got, many lives I came in this world, I made some family, I did so many work also. After death, my family member threw this dead body, no one coming between, no one. Till now, million birth I am coming. Same action, same test, everything I am doing, continuously, constantly going on, and always they throw my dead body. Because I know now, because of your mercy, I know. So I am praying, Maharaj. Before I was make fancy with them, but what's the fruits? Result coming again and again. I am rotary in the cycle of the life, of the death and birth. So I want to, it's my prarabdha, I don't want to mitigate my prarabdha. But whatever in my prarabdha, in my karma, I want to enjoy this, no karma. But it is my only desire, wish. If you want to give me any birth in any space, in any corner of the world, that's not matter. But only this, Maharaj, how I make association, make friendship with your unallowed devotees. Because I know, previous many lives I made friendship with my family members, the blood relation, everything. But the result, they throw me. And again I come in this coming, going, this exit and entrance, this coming, output, input, this material world. So at least this life, next life, it is my only desire. How I get your devotees association. I know after getting your devotees association, then this life cycle will stop. And I will attend your award. this miserable world, I'm surviving my life many times, ruining and running also. But if I get the association of the devotee, then this type of what is the distress and lamentation, what I was suffering before, in next life I will suffer that, but that will not affect on me, Maharaj, because I will get that test. You are the strict customs I hear, and I will serve you, I will association. Please also tell you. Also, Jamal, you know, twin Triya, Jamalarjuna, the son of the Kuber, in Bhagavad Gita, son of the Kuber, Nalakuber and Manipur. Once they were taking bath in the holy Ganga river with some heavenly Apsara, heavenly gods, but fully naked, no dress. So Narada that way, also the drunkard that way. When Narada came, all the heavenly gods, they become assembled. Just go down there. But these two sons of Kuber is the treasurer of the holy universe, with the Keshav treasurer. His son. They didn't bother about it, didn't care about it. Narada is coming, they were in their mood only. They were laughing beside the Ganga also, without any dress also. Narada thought, oh, how foolish they are. This is happening. They don't know the command, how to behave others, how to respect others. But in the common moral education they haven't done. Because of they are son of the richest people. This is the power of the opulence. So he wants to rectify them. He wants, this is the saintly attitude. Some saints are chastising, giving, cursing them. That means this is a Asirvada. Benediction also for them. Also Narada, with anger, he cursed them. You are taking bath in the auspicious holy river without cloth also, drinking alcohol and mating with the heavenly gods. This is not good for. Okay, if someone comes, at least it should be in the good way. But you have forgot everything because of this, your opulence. So I am cursing you. You take a bath as a tree form. Tree has no cloth, clothless form. You like this, your attitude. Then they come out from the water and go down at the lotus feet of Narada, like excuse. Then Narada, saint, real saint. They are speaking hardly but heart soft. This is the saint attitude. Our Vishnu always speaks like coconut. The outer layer is very hard, the inner is very soft. So all acharyas, all Guru saints, they are speaking hardly. Someone speaks, oh, what are you saying? I speak this harsh. No, they heart really soft. So Narada, out of mercy, is mercifully speaks, okay, you go to take bath in this mundane world, earthland, but you have to wait when the Lord Krishna appears in the upper age. When he comes and when he touches his lotus feet, both of you, then you become, your disgrace form will be over, and the tree form will disappear, and your own form you will get. They came there. This lila happened, that customs lila happened, we know how the Krishna, Jasodama buying the Krishna because they were stealing butter from his own house. Before the gopis were come and they, as a complaint form, they came to Jasoda and told everything, but didn't believe Jasoda mother, my son is doing like this. But one day she cut his hand while stealing in her own house. Then Jasoda confronted, it is very naughty. I must give little punishment, otherwise in future what will happen? From the beginning stealing this. So this mother's parents' duty just tries to rectify some punishment they are giving. What the punishment? He wants Shiva. That Lila Krishna was crying. Then he wants to cross the middle the two stream. He crossed, but the sort of wine morsel. The morsel was not crossing. And Krishna pushed. Then what happened? Because of this power, stuck, the two tree already grew out and appeared, disappeared from this form, and they appeared their own form. They prayed to lotus feet of Krishna, Balgopal. They told Bani Gunan Kathane Sravanam Kathayam Astaucha Karmasya Pada Manapadayurna Smrutyancha Nivasa Jagata Pranam Drustin Satam Dasane Slobodharana. The two sons of the Lord, they asked, they prayed the Lord's blessing, Balgopal Krishna, Bani Gunan Bhattane. You, O Supreme, O my Lord, how our Bani, the speech, how I speak your pastimes only, your name only. Let us give this energy, potency. Our speech should speak your name only. Lord has given this tongue, mouth to speak. Those are not speaking holy name and Harikatha, like as Prabhupada. Prabhupada vanishes like just walk, Prabhupada. Bani Gunani Kathane, Sravana Katha, you have our ear should hear our sweet pastimes and sweet name only. Our ear, pastimes hear, listen your Harikatha, your pastimes, your name only. After getting this nice food, those are not giving this opportunity to enter the Harikatha name. This soul like us, you know, it's a snake. You say? Old snake also. Snake also. Then the time factor, the cow, time factor, the snake called Mahakal will enter. Those who doesn't hear the Hari name, holy name in Harikatha. Hastaucha Karmasya. And they prayed, oh Lord, his hands should have to work your service, engage in your general service only. Emana, this is the vital organ, the mind, which is the root cause of bondage and liberation, which is the nuisance of all disturbances. Mind is very low. The mind, very critical, really. Whole world is now in the terrible condition because of this mind only, really. All are fighting, all are quarreling, everything because of uncontrolled mind. Uncontrolled mind creates so many disturbances. This is really now. If one's mind controlled, he becomes perfect prophet. Sure. He may stay in the householder, he may stay in the Vrindavan, in Germany, in Austria, Vienna, that's not bad. If someone is control his mind, then he is completely separate. His attitude is point out. Everyone knows what I know. But the control mind, there is only nice process, only devotion. Bhakti yoga. Through this bhakti yoga. If mind get the higher test, higher test, then mind become controlled. Because mind always wants some test. Not only this in this age, in this life, million lives. This is mind's nature, mind's attitude. He wants some test. If you give him higher test, then mind become purified and acquainted to test this higher test. The higher test of our Acharya speaks this the Krishna consciousness, devotional activities. They told, oh my Lord, how our mind always think of you only. Manastopadayana, that is our mind. Think of a lotus feet. And our remembrance think of your pastimes, think of us lotus feet also. And last word is Drusting Satam Darsanestu Bhavatam. You have given us eyes, but eyes should see your devotee. Then Krishna asks, what type of begging you are praying? You are praying me, and you are praying me to see my devotee. My darshan is not enough for you. Already you have seen me. Devotees are meditating and praying whole life to give you darshan, to take darshan of me only. But after I am appeared here, I am giving my darshan also. But it's not enough for you. Then they told, enough Maharaj, your darshan is enough. This is perfection, no. But if you don't have got the assistance of the Naraji, then it is quite impossible for us to see you. To see you is not enough for us. After seeing, if you don't know who are you, then testless. Because Hiranyakashipu also saw Maharaj. Hiranyakashipu also, he saw the Lord Nrsimhadev, and he didn't know who is Nrsimhadev. The Duryodhana in Mahabharata, Duryodhana, he also saw the Lord Sri Krishna, but he didn't know how sweet the Krishna was. And demon Ravana also saw the Lord Ramachandra. He also failed to know. To see you not around, before seeing who are you, how are you, what is your virtue, what is your mercy, everything one should know through the association of by the association of the sadhu. So our eye become purified or satisfied if we see your devotees only. That's Krishna's mind about this. Drusting Satam Darshan. Our eye always seeing the miserable world. What is actually happening, we are seeing. Not this life, many lives you see. I want to see something. This is the sense. But if you show them the highest form, highest sweet form, but how you know we are seeing someone come to Radha and say, oh Lord Krishna, in that devotee Lord Krishna. But after getting association, one can know, oh, this is not deity, this is the real Krishna. Real Krishna. So after association, getting association, one can, the ignorance will go away and some consciousness will come, arises there something, some taste and enter inside. Without association, without getting, without saintly association, our devotion uncompleted. Uncompleted. Nothing. All others came this only. Only two things necessary, Harikatha and Harinam. Chant holy name, listen Harikatha. Then life will be fulfilled for us. We must attain our destination, our goal. Okay, thanks Maharaj. Or at 7 o'clock, already Maharaj gave. We see. Thanks for your attending.
So much thank you, Maharaj, for this wonderful enlightenment, Katha speech from your side, to point out some very essential understanding in our life. I mean, in the case of Manikriva, the begging to Krishna, when Krishna gave darshan, to always speak the glories, so Krishna blessed them to become who? Snigdha Madhukanta, the spirit of Guru. And they're speaking constantly Harikatha.
Yo, Maharaj, Swagat.
So their blessings of Narad Goswami.
Till now they are
So get darshan of Krishna and to constant speak the pastimes of Krishna all the time. Snigdha Kanta speak in morning, Madhukanta speak evening. sometimes change.
Till now,
And who is listening?
all places.
Who is listening? Now we are listeners here. Who is listening to their speech?
All Krishna's people,
Krishna himself, Yashoda Maya, Nanda Baba.
all Lalita Sekhi.
Sometimes he goes in so strong in his leela. When the Kruger came from Mathura to take Krishna Balaram out of the heart of the Brajavasis. When Yashoda Devi listened this, she could not contain the anxiety and she fell down from the chair. And then Nanda Baba said, "Hey Yashoda, man, it's just, it's not real, not happening now. It's just a speech." So intense is Krishna's Leela. And even in Goloka the Lord himself listened, so to speak, to get this remnants here from the mouth of the sadhus, to listen to that beautiful katha. Wonderful. That is the jewels, the nectar. Magic.
No need to sit here.
So that we be absorbed in our heart, to enrich in our heart, to make our life successful by remembering that.
You see the time, I know.
So to remember this and beautiful speech of Maharaj, long time preacher, got full Guru Kripa to point out wonderful things like jewels, to very rich things to take in our heart and to like to take prasadam, you get happiness, strength, peacefulness, you're happy. Like this Adasi Krishna Namadi, Namavet Graham Indriyani Segabukito, you cannot understand Krishna's beautiful, the blue color of his form, his transcendental qualities, his pastimes with blunt material senses. Adasi Namavet Graham Indriyani, how you understand? It is interest. Sevamukhe, that is the point. Like Maharaj said, you will take darshan just a moment to see the beautiful form of Shyam Sundara Radhika. After what is your seva? At least you got how to offer your respect. But after you can ask for some seva. To use these beautiful human hands and feet, animal cannot use nothing there. If you put one thorn in the feet of a tiger, then he suffers. He cannot even remove that. But the human, you have this beautiful 10 fingers, you have a beautiful brain, fully equipped to make a beautiful seva to please the Lord and his devotees. If you're doing this, you will get some reward. And if Krishna gives you a reward, that will be full of sweetness, full of love, full of happiness, full of ecstasy. What we're looking for, but like you say, when you open the light, everything is clear. If you go in half darkness, you feel something is okay, but light you see very clearly everything. And maybe you sometimes be shocked about yourself. If the light open in your brain, you see how many others you have. How much lust and karma goes always there. If you go enlighten every corner of in our inside. So the medicine to clean out this is to listen. Now, in the future, for all the time, up to the last breath. Gurudev said, this is my wish. To chant after your last breath. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama,